You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn words and through how to pronounce this curious word, which I don't even know really exists in English, but yeah, let's break down how to pronounce it. Pronounced as worryments. I believe it's more of a slang term, pronounced in English as worryments. How to pronounce worryments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.